name is Erica Rose. Rose, why you put your hands on our grandmother like that? Why? Why'd you do it? Because I want to. Stop it. I did it one time. I stopped. So you want to do it multiple times. Why? Why? Stop. Stop that. You want to do what you want. You not you grown, but stop it. And what happened? She put you in your place, did she? Yes. You gonna do it again? Maybe. See what you do? I gave my life to Christ, and I did it because I want to. See, I did some things in my past, but you want okay, but you want to do it multiple times. You said the devil's your God, right? Yup, it is. So stay over there. See, I'm your sister. So you my twin sister. So stop thinking that okay, you wanna deal with the devil. Go ahead, be your God. So I'm leaving. So you won't put your hands on grandma. Not on my watch. So stop it. Stop putting your hands on her. She raised us. So, alright? Stop playing. You play too much. And then you hanging with the wrong crowd. So you want to be there hanging around the wrong crowd. And then you got a boyfriend, don't care. See? You and him beat up people. Stop beating up people. Stop doing something like that because you think that they are beneath you. And you want to talk about me. I'm boring. No, I'm not. You keep fighting people. Stop fighting people. Because they didn't do nothing to you. They stop fighting. See? What's wrong with you? So, you know what? I'm going to let God deal with you. And I'm going to let him deal with you. So, cause I'm going to pray for you. I'm going to pray for you. Okay, Rose? I'm going to pray for you. Alright? I'm going to pray for you. I'm going to walk away because I can't deal with you. I'm not joining you because you don't. Okay? I followed you before, but I'm not going to do it again. Alright? Bye. Do, 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 do.